Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MASAI Assignment Solution, and today we are going to start our new series with the binary search. Okay, so you know that my only aim is improve my English. That's why I started this series. If I do some type of mistake in speaking, then please ignore it and motivated me. You can subscribe my channel, comment on video and like it and share it to your friends. Okay, so see, now you are, I think, unit 3 and the most difficult unit. Please do hard work in this unit, otherwise too much art. Okay, so let's start with a question binary search. And in this question, they give us a array and two, okay, 2, then minus 2 times 0, 3 and 4. This is our length of our linked list, and this is a integer. We need to find our array. Okay, but we use in this question binary search. So from binary search, I take my low at this index and my high at this index. Low at 0, okay, and my high at 4, fourth index, and after add both and divide by 2, I find mid. Mid is now 2. So if I am now this position, and now I am going to check this integer at the position, at this position, which integer at this index is equal to, we need to find 0 equal to 0. Yes, so we find it, then we return direct print 1. If we don't find into our whole array, then we print -1. Okay, let's assume we have at here 5. Okay, so first we need to sort this array. Okay, I don't say before you, but first work in binary search, we need to do sort our array. Okay, binary search only work on that array if array is already sorted. If it is not sorted, it's not work. Okay, so first sort our array. Okay, first I -2, then 0, then 2 and 3 and 4. After find mid, I am this index, at this index. Okay, now I need to find 0. 0 is less than or greater than 0. Greater than 2. It's less than 2. So what I need to do? My mid at here, my low at here, my high at here. So then my high change into mid -1. Now my mid at, if my integer is less than, so then we change high. If my integer is greater than mid, then I will change my low. Okay, now my high come at this position, mid -1. Okay, my high at here, yes, and my low at here. If I add both 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 and by 2, it's become 0.5. Yeah, if it will become 0.5, so as a integer it take already 1. Okay, if 0.1, then still it's take on the higher. In the Java, in the Java integer don't take value in points. So it's take, if it is 0.1, 0.23, then it's take 1. If it is 1.1, then it will take 2. So now our mid become 1, and we are at this position, and now we can find, now we have 0, and we need to, we need to find also 0, so both are equal, then we will going to print 1. So that's all. Go to coding part, then you will understand better, I think. The first, I already take our input, okay, integer n, then integer k, that element we need to find into our array, and then we traverse whole the array and take it all type of input, and then first work in this question we have sort our array. Okay, if I run it regularly to find if you don't take and do any type of mistake, so all is good, uh, all is good at this point. So now I am going to take my low. Okay, integer low, which index? 0. Integer high, n minus 1. And now I am going to take my count, integer count. Okay, count equal to -1. And now I am take while loop, my low is less than or equal to high, then it's okay. Why I'm take count equal to -1? Because if we don't find this integer into our array, then we printed -1. If we find it, then we print count. So that's why I take. So for now, my first work in this question is find mid. So mid equal to low plus में okay, okay, 1 second, okay, yeah. So we need to find mid in this question. Then okay, so low plus high and divide by 2. Okay, now it's okay. See, it's give us a time limit error. Why? If I have, okay, 1 second, yeah, my low is 100, 0. Okay, and my high is, let's assume that my low is not 0, it's 100. Okay, my mouse is not working, that's why I am right using my touchpad, so that's why I'll face a little bit difficulty. And my high is 200, 300. Okay, if I am going to solve from this, then what happened? 300 plus 100 by 2 means first we going to take it 400, and then we are going to divide it. Yes, but this is not a good way. We can do another way, same line. How? See, int mid equal to low plus high minus low and divide by 2. See, my low is 100, high minus low. 300 minus 100, 200. 200 by 2 is 100. 100 plus 100 is now 200. Okay, so we also find our mid 200 from this line, and we also can find our mid through this line. But in this question, the most important thing in this line is that Here we find going to 400 maximum, but in this question we are not going to 400. We already used high and low. If we high minus low, and for 300 minus 100 means 200. So that's why it's don't give us TLE. So we always use this line to find our mid. Okay, now if my mid is equal to k, so then count become 1 and we break our log. Why we need to go to find other element if we have already find? If we don't find, if my a dot mid is less than my, no, okay, if my k is less than my midpoint, then I become mid minus 1. Okay, or else my low equal to mid plus 1. That's all. And now I'm going to print my count. COUNT. First, I need to check again it's good or not. Yeah, print 1. Okay. See, again, I am going to repeat it what I do at here. You already understand this line. Okay. We only find mid. If my mid equal to our this element, we need to find in this array, then count become 1 and we break our loop. We don't need to traverse whole array. If my k is less than mid, if it is less than my mid, then my high come mid minus 1, because we know that my integer is not greater than my midpoint, then my high come this. Okay, if my integer is greater than mid, then my low come on position mid plus 1. Okay, because we know that if my integer is greater than mid, so why we need to find between low and mid? So our low come at this position, and that's all. And if we are going to submit it, then you can see, yeah, accepted. So sound good? So that's all from my side in this question, the first question of our binary search. And if you have any type of question and any query, then you directly pin me on Instagram and LinkedIn. And you also comment on this video if you have any type of doubt and you want to solve from my side. So you need any type of question solution. My English. If you want from my side any question, any solution of any question, then you comment on this video, and I surely make on video this on this question. And that's all from my side, my English. Okay, bye bye.